How to fix any Instagram bug. If you're facing any type of bugs on Instagram and then you'd like to fix such bugs, now normally the way we can do this is if you're using Android, you can just go ahead and then long press the Instagram app icon on any Android device and you'll find this eye icon that says app info. So this setting should be available on any Android device. Once you've taken to the app info page, from here you can go to this option called storage usage and tap on clear cache and tap on clear data. Clearing data will actually reset the app, so you'll also be logged out of your account. So make sure you remember your credentials. After you've done that, go to your Play Store or your App Store and search for Instagram. Check if the Instagram app has the update available and you will see the latest update. If it requires an update, make sure to update it. So this way you can fix most of the Instagram bugs that you're facing on Instagram. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in the next video.